Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today we are going to do Aceology, the multivitamin brightening biodegradable mask. And it is multivitamin, it says. So it exfoliates and strengthens. So I just thought I would try this mask out. This is supposed to be like a really top-notch brand and supposed to be a great company as far as doing masks. And I don't think I've ever used an Aceology, so I'm looking forward to trying it out. And today, while we're doing that, we're going to go through my Macy's beauty box. Yeah, I got that. And we might as well see what we have in there. This is really full of essence, I'll tell you that. So right off the bat, that kind of tells us a little bit about the quality. It's like drenched. See if I can get it put on here. Like I said, this is really drenched. It feels delicate too. I don't know if that's something that goes along with the Aceology. I'm not sure what it's made out of, but it feels very nice. Ooh, it's nice and cool on this hot day. How's y'all's weather been? Ours has been really hot. Yesterday though, because we had clouds in the area, it really wasn't as hot as they had predicted. So we kind of had a break yesterday. I'm looking into the mirror over here if y'all wondering what I'm doing. Looking away from you, but I want to get this on good. It feels really good. I'm going to get it up a little bit closer to my eyes so they can benefit from it as well. Okay. I think I got that on pretty good. There's lots of essence on this. I'm going to put some on my arms. This is very nice already. I can tell that it's going to be very illuminating. And are you guys having your coffee today? Using my little swig cup. I think I got this out of my Vino box, but I'm not 100% sure. Kind of forget after a while. But today I have my Macy's beauty box with me. It's a monthly subscription and it's only like $15. And you usually get some deluxe samples from the Macy's store. And I think you get like a bonus. There, it just kind of breaks apart, and then we have our little package here. Once we get everything out of there, we get our Macy's beauty box coupon. And on your next $20, I can save $5 off, which, you know, I guess that's kind of nice. $5 for $20, that's a pretty good deal. And it lasts through September 24th, 2023. That just happens to be Laura's birthday. But they always have it wrapped in pink. And again, I think I told you it's $15 a month if you want to subscribe. And then we have all this in there, including this. It all kind of fell out. It says Beauty and the Beach. And then it says scan the QR code. Okay, so it's Beauty and the Beach, not Beauty and the Beast. So anyway, it's a box of deluxe samples for $15 per month. And that's what it says right there on there. And it says Beauty and the Beach, Sun and Sand, and SPF galore await you with the beach theme beauty faves. Then it shows us everything that's in the packet. And the first thing it's showing is a MAC, and it looks like a MAC Turquotic perfume. And it's a fragrance blend variation, it says. And it's a crisp and energizing, this sea-inspired signature MAC scent features notes of anemone, lotus, orris, and Corsican blue cedar. So I don't know, let's try this out. I'm going to spray it on my Aceology here. Oh, yeah, it smells fresh and clean. Like, I think there's a cologne called Blue. Can't remember what brand that is. But it smells a little bit like that. It's nice and clean. It's a fresh scent. And I can smell the sea on it, so it's kind of nice. Yeah, very nice. If you were to purchase that full size, it's $87, just FYI. The next item is Elizabeth Arden Prefage City Smart. It's a sheer oil-free, multi-active skin defender, delivers advanced protection against today's environmental aggressors, including pollutions and free radicals, to keep your skin looking younger. And it's like a little tube, and I have used this product before, and Prefage by Elizabeth Arden is a good product. It works well on my skin, and I do like that. I have used that before. And if you were to buy that full size, it would be $72. So it's not cheap, but I'm sure it's very effective. Now the next thing is we have the Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil. And it says Invisible Oil, and it's a heavy duty primer protector. And let me see. I don't know if we have any more information on that. I'm going to just spray some on me. You can see there that I've got it on, and I want to say this is for your hair. Yeah, it's a hairdresser, so this is something you put on your hair. It smells nice. It says it's invisible oil, and it's a primer, so I'm assuming you would do this before you blow dry. So that's kind of nice. And if you were to get the full size of that, it would run $34. So the next item is the Buxom Cosmetics Plump Shot Collagen Infused Plumping Lip Serum. And it would normally cost you $28 for the full size. This here is a sample size, and you guys know I love the Buxom products. So I'm going to try this out, as I know I'll use this. It's just a clear. It says that it's clinically proven to plump and increase volume, decrease lip lines, and it's 94% said they saw instant results. And I don't know, are we seeing instant results? It's hard to say. But it says we plumped it up with our most advanced lip plumping technology, loaded with pure vegan collagen, Tabuski oil, hyaluronic acid, filling spears, and tripeptides. So it sounds really good. I can feel it. I can feel the coolness of it. And anyways, it says that it's collagen infused. So that ought to be interesting to try out like that. And I love Buxom products. They are always so good. The next item that we have here is a Tony Moly. And this is a sheet mask. This is the moisturizing sheet mask with aloe. And it says, I'm aloe. And Tony Moly is a Korean sheet mask, I believe. And they're very good and very popular. So very happy to have that. It says one mask is $3. That's the value of that. And then the next item that we have is the Sunbun Daily Mineral Sunscreen. And if you were to get a full size of this, it would be $21.99. So this is a sunscreen moisturizer. I'm sure it's probably sealed. It is. I'm going to leave it sealed because I have so many moisturizers going on right now. But that was the last item as far as in the packet. And then they always send us a free little gift or a little bonus gift. And this month it is this little pink bag. It's made out of, I don't know, like a netting top thing, and it's got the green zipper. It's got plenty of room in there to put your items in there, and it says get your glam on. So it's really cute, and you can actually, whatever you put in there, you'd be able to see that it's in there. You may not be able to make out exactly what it is, but you'd be able to see that you had items in there. And it's not exactly see-through, but you can tell that there's products in there. I love the pink color. That's my favorite color. So, hey guys, what do you think about the Macy's box? Is it something that you'd be interested in? Do you think it was worth $15 to get these deluxe samples? I guess that's what you really have to ask yourself. And then, of course, you get this little bonus. But is it really worth it? I'm not 100% sure on that. I just started the Macy's box, and I've seen some that are, you know, really great boxes, and then always going to be the deluxe sample size. So, I don't know. You let me know. What do you think? And as far as favorite product in this box, it's going to be, for me, it's going to be the Buxom Collagen Lip Plumper. And I'm gonna like this Blow Bumble and Bumble hairdressing. I'm pretty sure I'll like that. So those two are my favorites. Of course, I liked it all, and it's all something that I could use. This perfume actually smells really good. It is a light scent. It's like a fresh scent of the ocean. Maybe that's the best way to describe that. And of course, it's always good to get a Tony Moly moisturizing mask. And then we get our $5 off coupon. So if you use your coupon, you're actually getting more bang for your buck with the $15 that you're spending for the samples. But that is my Macy's box. So as a recap, we have the Tony Moly, we have the nice little pink zipper pouch cosmetic bag, we got the Preference by Elizabeth Arden, we got the MAC sample of the Turquoise perfume, we got the Sun Bun moisturizing sunscreen, we got the Buxom Lip Plumper with collagen, and we got the Bumble and Bumble Blow Hairdresser Invisible Oil for your hair, along with this $5 coupon. So yeah, again, just let me know, what do you think? What's your favorite? And I don't even know how long I've had this mask on, but I can tell you it feels really good. So we're going to take it off here. And it feels really good. My skin could use some lightening and brightening and some good moisturizing, that's for sure. I'm going to put a little bit on my arms. Well, it's been a while since I did a Mask Monday, and I hope everybody's been doing well. I've got lots of things coming out in the next couple of weeks. I always have things coming out, but I've got some regular things, I guess, coming out. Like, I did get a Beachley box, so I have Beachley coming out. I've got some more Temu with the Temu PartyTime Christmas in July. I also have my sticky finally came. You know, I had a late sticky. I got another sticky. So we'll be having more of those. And then I have several different products coming to introduce to you, and I'm really excited to do that. I recently did the Woofs, and it was a CBD oil for your pet. So if you're having any problems with your pet, you might want to check out that video, because they also have joint chews. So it's stuff that's good for inflammation, joints, and even hyperactivity and or being anxiety with being scared of fireworks and everything. The CBD oil works great for that, and I use that for Jamila, and you can see that on that video. I'll pop it up here for you. And then the other one I recently did was the Prime Lash Mascara. The Prime Lash Mascara was very good. It worked really well, and I love the colors. The colors were true to color. They have a blue, a brown, and a black. They sent me one of each, and we tried them all out, and I'll have that video up there for you as well if you want to go and check it out. And both of them sent discount codes, so if you're interested in any one of those products, you can save yourself, I think it's 10%, both of them, different codes. But all the information would be, included in the descriptions of those videos if you're interested. They were very good, is all I have to say, is that the products were great. And I look forward to bringing and sharing new products with you in the future, as well as my boxes. Oh, and I have a new box that's going to be new to my channel. And I'm going to be meeting in person Lori from Lori's Life on Friday. That's right, yeah, we're going to be meeting in person. She is getting a little toy poodle. She named her Zoe. I think I had her named as Peaches, because she's kind of a peaches and cream color, like an apricot little poodle. She is so cute, and you all, I'm sure, will be meeting her, because Lori will be introducing her. It'll be exciting to meet her, and that's kind of what's going on this week. And I've got lots of little puppies that are going out to their homes this week, so I'm going to be busy with puppy business and a video scheduling to try to get all this out within the next week or two. And there will be a Dollar Tree train back to school coming up at the end of the month on July 29th. So be sure and be on the lookout for that collaboration. But as for today in Macy's Beauty Box, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.